So ngayong araw na 'to is gagawa tayo ng prawn spaghetti. Yung mga ingredients natin
Let's go.
kakailanganin is
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
prawn,
Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit. Yeah, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
garlic.
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Ayan, okay na. Tignan natin yung ating
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
natin na yung pasta.
I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Kailangan din natin siyang haluin para yung pasta is hindi magdikit-dikit. Kailangan natin lutuin ang pasta for 8 minutes. ating garlic. Lagyan na natin ang prawn. So, ayan, okay ng ating prawn. Set aside natin. I-fry natin yan ang bell pepper. Kasi may magandang naidudulot ang olive oil sa katawan natin.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My
Ilagay na
life's
rin
sunny
natin
and
ang ating
better.
cherry tomatoes.
Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris,
So ayan, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating mushroom. I-fry lang natin sila na maigi.
Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you.
So ilagay ulit tayo ng ating olive oil.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So ayan, okay na. Lagyan na natin ng table salt.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah.
Lagyan na rin natin ang ating Italian herb.
Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So ayan guys, okay na siya. Pwede na natin ilagay rin ang ating pinito kanina na prawn. So haluin lang natin sila. And then, ilalagay na rin natin maya-maya ang ating spaghetti pasta.
I want nobody but you.
Dagdagan natin uli ng Italian herb para kumapit ang kanyang aroma. So ayan guys, okay na. Ilagay na rin natin ang ating spaghetti pasta. Haluin. hanggang sa ma-mix lahat yung ingredients natin sa ating pasta. So, lalagyan uli natin siya ng olive oil. And then, haluin natin para yung oil is kumalat talaga siya sa pasta natin. So, ayan guys, okay na ang ating prawn spaghetti. Takpan lang natin siya for 1 minute and then turn off the fire. So, this is it. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe for more videos.
Sorry, it's DJ.